Hi guys, welcome to today's video. On the menu tonight, I have some crispy chicken that I got from the local grocery store at their hot deli, as well as some potato wedges. We picked up a cheesy macaroni salad. I made some broccoli and put some butter on it, and for dipping sauces for the chicken and everything, I have KFC dipping sauces. I have a honey mustard, there's a smoky barbecue, there's a ranch right here, and then I have our favorite, which is what we usually use when we get this chicken, is the sweet Thai chili sauce. And I'm also going to be trying the new Mountain Dew. Well, I don't know if it's not new, but I just found it. Mountain Dew Frostbite. I haven't had this one before, so I'm kind of excited to give that a try. And I have ginger ale for backup if I don't like the taste of that one. So anyways, I want to dig in. And I'm going for broccoli first. The food's hot. They just were making it as we went to the store. I'm gonna open up these sauces here. Ooh, come on. Put them up here so we can see. This is Scott's version of making dinner. This was not what I had originally planned to have for dinner. And, but I'm okay with it because I really love this crispy chicken. I was going to make shepherd's pie, so I'm probably going to make shepherd's pie over the next few days, hopefully, if I don't forget. But crispy chicken is good too. I'm just going to keep this one back here because there's not really much space up there. Right. This is the buttermilk ranch. So good. This is like the cheesy macaroni that they used to have at KFC. If anyone remembers that. I don't think they have this one anymore. I think it's like a white sauced one. I could be wrong. I have not had much of an appetite. I've been dealing with a migraine. I still have a little bit of it, but my appetite's back, and since I haven't eaten in over 24 hours, I'm starving. Not true. I ate a peanut butter and jam sandwich because I was afraid it was the only thing I could keep down. So I was like, okay, this is it. So good. This is from Zayre's. If you're Canadian, your Zayre's has a hot deli. It's really good. The crispy chicken tenders. Okay, let's give this a try. I don't even really know what I'm expecting with this, to be quite honest. I don't hate it. I just don't really know what flavor that is. Well, it's frostbite. Is clearly what it is. That would actually taste really good as a slushie. They probably do have that. I'm hungry. I don't have a lot to say. I know I always say that and then I end up talking the whole time, but it's because once I eat and like I get a little bit full, then I'm like content and happy and I start talking. See, like right now, I'm like, eat food. I'm using my left hand. Trouble. I forget what I was just gonna say. I had a thought and now it's gone. So the kid that's usually working at the hot deli, I know him. Not like know him, but one of the kids that works at my store is his friend. So he's been in before and like, I'm like, hey, you're the chicken kid. And he's like, yeah. So like when I go in, I've told you guys this before, he would like hook me up a little bit. But like tonight when I went in, he was not there. But the girl that was working, she like counted everything out, like specifically, like this was a dinner for 2, so you're only supposed to get like 10 tenders. Not just the kid I know, but like everyone usually just fills the box until it's like full, right? She counted them out and I was like, okay, like that's cool, that's fine. That's all we're supposed to get, so if that's what she's going to give us, then at least she's giving us what we're supposed to get. But then I opened the potato wedges when we got home. And the box was only like half full. Not half empty, half full. And, yeah, Scott was like, what the fuck? He's like, that won't even feed the 3 of us. And I was like, I'll just take a few. I mean, I took a mountain here, but I was like, make sure we save some for Jacob. He was like, we clearly can only go like when your chicken kid is there. I'm like, yeah, I guess so. Oh. There was more than enough. But, you know when you're just like used to something? And then it slightly changes and you're like, huh? What did I do wrong? I'm not sure I would buy that again. It's fine, but it's like one of those. It doesn't give me the same kind of like fizzy fizz like that the ginger ale gives. You know what I mean? It's more like sugar densed. Whereas I like pop because of the fit, like sometimes because of the fizziness. Some people don't like that because they don't like to burp. I mean, clearly I don't mind to burp, but clearly. Huh. I knew putting this like directly on the cutting board was probably not the best idea. This is a plastic fork. Do you guys, it's cute, eh? It's like, looks like silverware. Well, sort of. And I have been craving broccoli. Well, not just broccoli. Oh, that piece is a little brown. Like veggies and fruit all day. Which was one of the reasons why we went to the store. Because I wanted to get some watermelon. But every time we go there, because it's not like the normal grocery store that we go to because it's expensive. But they have like the good stuff, you know? They have the good cut up fruit. They have the good hot deli. So like we go there for that kind of stuff. They're the ones with the donuts. They have donuts. I'm like doing this under the table. I'm like, they have them. So then of course we went and checked to see if they had donuts, and they did. So I'm gonna have a donut later. But they also have the most unfriendly staff. The highest prices. Whew. Not eating for, excuse me, a number of hours really. Like, clearly my eyes were bigger than my stomach. Okay, guys? I don't know if I can eat all this in one round. Migraines are literally the worst. I was just thinking about that. I'm like, oh my god. Like, I barely remember yesterday because my head hurts so bad. And it's always like the right side of my head. My napkin's down here. It's always like right above my eye, but it travels like down. Like my teeth were hurting, and it was like into my ear and down my neck. Oh, it was so horrible. When I started to get sick to my stomach, I was like, yeah, I can't work anymore. I tried to stay because they like needed people. Not that I was much help. And then I like walked home so fast. But I said to Scott when I got home, because I literally walked home, like took off most of my clothes and got into bed, and I slept. Probably got home around 4 p.m. and I like didn't get back out of bed until like 9:30 p.m. Right. And even then I woke up and I still had the migraine a little bit, but I was like, oh my gosh. But so I left work and I was messaging back and forth with a friend, but I was like, I'm pretty sure I had my eyes closed like the whole way home. Like I walked home by memory. Cause I just don't remember like going home really. So if you suffer from migraines, like I feel ya. They suck. And if you've never had a migraine, not to be like, if you've never had a migraine, you don't know. But it's like, it's hard to explain like how bad they can get, you know? If you've never had one, amazing. I love that for you. I would never wish one upon you. Oh, try my broccoli. Got it. Mm-mm-mm. My brother's on tonight. I'm excited. I'm trying to get Nathan caught up because we usually watch it together. But he hasn't seen any of it yet. So it's on tonight and tomorrow night. I just said to him, I was like, you need to go home. Or not go home. You need to watch, get caught up. I was like, and then tomorrow night, we'll watch together. And he was just like, yeah, yeah. Guys, I think I'm done. I don't want to push it. Oh my gosh, this was so good. I have a little bit of broccoli left, some wedges, and one chicken, which I brought 4 up, and I was like, you're not going to eat 4. I was really hoping for it, though, because it just was so good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out. I almost feel like I need to go take another Advil. Excuse me. Anyways, guys, thanks for hanging out. I highly recommend going to watch Big Brother. If you do, let me know who you like, what you think is going to go down. Just let me know your thoughts. If you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. Check out some of my other content. I do have a vlog channel. I am actually on vacation next week, so I'm really hoping to like pump out some content for you guys. Or, you know, like do the complete opposite and just like do nothing my whole vacation. Either way, go check out the channel. Give this video a like if you guys liked it. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video for a video every day in July, except for the days that I haven't been able to post, which has only been 2 so far. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!